Another testimonial that I want to share is my son. Whenever he sleeps, okay, he always have choking, meaning the phlegm is a lot. Yeah, so he always have choking. So when he choke, he will really cough. Okay, even if I take the other day when I went ride a bus to RSM, inside the bus, while he was sleeping out of nowhere, he will it's like a choking kind of a sensation, you know. So after which I let him drink the hydrogen water. Okay, so I thought first day nothing, second day, the third day, I realized he slept throughout the night. And on our way back to Singapore, in the bus itself, totally he slept through very nicely without any choking. So I believe it's because of the hydrogen water that dilutes away the phlegm itself. Yeah, so I think this is a very good point for many people outside there. If you do have upper respiratory tract infection, take hydrogen water.
Hydromi water,
Yes.
耶，靓仔。